और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो।
Hello friends! Today I bought a new toy. Surprise! Cactus! Dancing cactus! I love this toy. Okay, and it's very good benefit. So let's open it. This is the real toy cactus. And there are spikes. Which color is this? Totally green. But they are the white and green. And these are the buttons. Okay? But it's the motor battery cactus. This is the charge cactus. It's so easy to do. So let's open this one. Now I open this. And this is the USB charger. Okay? First, you have to on. Okay? So when you talk something, you can press. So this toy also copy. Okay? And this is very funny cactus. When you have to on, so here is off. When the cactus will be charged, when we finish, then we use charge. Okay. Put charge. This one we put here. Okay. When the charge finished, then you can play. And this is the great cost. Maybe it's 400. And look at their hands. Here's the different cactus here. Okay? In the box. You can see what are you talking? They're also talking. So let's play. But how to play? When you first talk, then they also talk. Good evening, auntie. Hello, cactus. Hello, Samik. Hello, Samik, and hello, cactus. Green color. You are so looking great, cactus. You learn the English spoken you can keep in your brain. So when you talk the English, you also talk English. And when you talk Hindi, you also talk Hindi. But not a bad word, only good words.